Yippee. You don't need to be a shy vlogger. Kijk.
We're in London. We're in London.
Touchdown in London town.
I'm so excited.
Take good care of yourselves. Well, that's you. So punch up, then you're best. Oh no.
This liedje. Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. Oh my god, Gringotts!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To Anna's channel. We're getting ready. It's day 2. Het is donderdag. We hebben... Oh, is it English? Yeah. Okay, it's English. We planned everything yesterday. Anastasia is calling her boyfriend. Well, boyfriends. And yeah, we're getting ready. Show the outfit, Anna. Oh yeah, we still have cookies left. This is the outfit.
Oh, the lighting is ridiculous.
I look like a teacher. She looks like my kid.
It's very much the other way around usually.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Yes, we're going to do a lot of things today, so we'll see you later. Onze keycard werkt niet, dus Anna is even aan het vragen of dat hij kan laten werken. Ik ga even doordoen. Dit is onze lobby. Wacht, hè. Dit is de lobby. En dit is de bar. En zien daarachter is er ook een pooltafel. Wacht, hè. Ja, buiten is er ook. Anna zit buiten aan de setting. Dat is hier. En ja, het is mooi weer vandaag.
Ja, die ene met we devoured.
7 plus 1.
So we're at Buckingham Palace.
Hey!
I've been vlogging terribly and I'm really sorry.
but that's okay. We just recorded a lot of TikToks.
Yep.
So do check out our TikToks, please. I'll tag. Oh, I'm holding it horribly. I'll tag Sarlina and Anastasia's Instagram and TikTok in the description. So make sure to check it out. Girlhood. Oh. Hi. Sarlina is making friends. Wat zei je?
Eigenlijk mag je daar geen vrienden mee worden, hè?
Oh, oh. Wow.
Oh, die hangen aan elkaar.
Nee, daar zijn alle twee iets aan het eten.
Die hangen vast aan elkaar.
Ah, echt? Oh. Ah, no, they're just fighting. Oh.
Oh, de English neighbors. Kijk het neighbors. Wat zei je dan? De Big Ben is Big Ben?
Ik zei de Big Ben is Benning.
Big Ben is wow.
I was walking through Red, and they are being good citizens. We're in a double-decker bus. Die was? Er is dus een brandalarm afgegaan in ons hostel en iedereen staat buiten. Er zijn mensen in een pyjama gekomen. En we waren hier gewoon aan het... Ja, we staan hier nog buiten. We waren eigenlijk Nando's gaan eten en dan zijn we teruggekomen. En we gingen binnen en ineens... En... Ja. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Anna will keep you updated. I'll keep you updated. Fire, 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 fire. While all this is going on, zit er een man heel de tijd van boven uit zijn kamer zo te staren of er iets aan de hand is. En Anna is haar horrorstory van haar slapen aan het... Doe maar, vraag maar. Die zijn, Anna heeft dus gedroomd over... dus er is zo'n sensor in onze kamer en dat maakt... als die beweging sensort, dan maakt die licht. Maar die maakt de hele tijd licht, even if we don't pass by. And now she's explaining, I have to talk in English. Now she's explaining because she actually dreams about someone standing in our room, an old woman. And she locked a girl in our bathroom. And our reaction to the story.
Yeah, it was really creepy. Like,
yeah,
it was like this old lady, and she just said, the girl, like, I was getting annoyed by like this light, like with a motion sensor going off, and there was nobody in the room, nobody in the hallway, and then.
Er is een meisje aan het wenen. Sorry.
Oh, that's sad.
Achter de jongen. Niet kijken.
And then I said to Sarlina, like, oh, I'm getting really fucking annoyed by this stupid ass light. And then after I fell asleep, in my dream, there was this old lady, and she said, oh, the girl's feeling, like, she's hiding in the bathroom. She's feeling really embarrassed because you got annoyed by the light. Because she just wanted to get close to you guys and get to know you. I woke up with the biggest chills all over my body. It was disgusting.
And if a double-decker bus. Oh, that's nice. Look at this.
Oh, perfect blend.
zitten nu op de... Ah ja, we're now on the bus to the British Museum. And we did our hair cute. Well, we did her hair. Because and then we did Anna's hair, the bows. Cute. And some blush. And everyone's looking coquette, even my bag.
You're very much coquetting.
Yes, very much coquette.
This girl looks super sweet and innocent and dan heeft ze a freaking cigarette vast. She looks like a little twirl.
You look like a toddler.
Look at this little baby. Cute.
All right, we made it to the British Museum. Where's Anastasia? Oh, there.
There she is.
So we did cutesy hairstyles. It's so
We're
cute.
early, that's why.
And I'm tearing up. Oh, the wind is attacking us today.
Yeah.
We're gonna go take pee break.
Look at this girl. Look at
Go
that.
place
Look at
girl.
the museum.
Oh, locked. This is the museum. Defo, check it out. There's
Dedicated to Queen Elizabeth, to Her Majesty.
ooh, RIP.
She's making her bag coquette on the other side. We're in the British Museum. Cute! Looking good.
Parkland Road, Camden Market. For your safety, please cross the cycle lane with caution.
Anastasia wordt geïnterviewd. Nee, Anna en Anna worden geïnterviewd. En zij moet filmen.
So have that white line in the middle of the face.
In Camden Market.
We're in Hamleys. Peppa? Wat?
Oh, dat is een stripboekje.
Ik weet het niet. Voor free denk ik wel niet.
Put it in your bag. It is. Hi, do you like shampoo?
Yes, I do.
Oh my god, me too.
But I like Do Young Better from NCT.
I like you better, mom.
Like a sticker, sticker. Like a sticker, sticker, sticker.
We are girls on a mission. Sarlina, which one do you have?
I have the bunny.
Bunny.
Double matching. We've got
Yes. Anastasia has the bear. Yay! I also have the little bunny. I know it looks like.
Doe 360, kom.
Huh?
360.
I thought it looks a bit crazy, but it's just like that.
Wow.
zacht in de ochtend. Heb ik gisteren whitening strips gedaan. Zo letterlijk wat en dan ja, was het niet zo echt pearly white. Ja. Maar je had het niet bij, dus je weet dus
Ja.
niet grappig. Ik heb iets van Anastasia proberen te schrapen, maar dat waren gewoon echt tanden.
Aan het eten. Anna, what did you get?
Pomodoro en basilicum.
Yum. Anna, what did you get?
De vodka.
Ooh, and I got the cacio pepe. Smakelijk. Okay. Do we do it in one? I can't do it in one time though. I will. Wait. Let me. Wait. I want to sip first.
Oh, okay, it's summer. It's okay. I thought it would be. Okay, who wants to do it in one time with me?
You.
You with me. Anna, you film.
Nee, ik wil het niet. Ik wil het ook wel shotten eigenlijk. Ah, wil jij shotten? Ja. Ga daarnaast zitten.
Camera eats first. Dat kon echt even niet meer geworden.
I just took a pee and my friends are doing their tooth whitening. And now I'm gonna take a nappy. See you tomorrow. Alexa, en dan krijg je toch niet droog? Nee. Please whitening. Say hi. Hi.
This is girlhood.
Oh, you have to shake it first. I think in the videos.
Oh, that's what
These are some good shit.
looks very promising, yeah? Yeah. Camera eats first.
Camera eats first.
I'm gonna do the taste test. Good. The moaning.
Oh, wacht, ik ga zo die TikTok-video maken. Okay, are you ready for the juicy?
Kijk naar de die.
Als letterlijk bijna mijn hoofd. Ik moet eigenlijk
Oké, dat staat van die af.
Dit is een professioneel.
Wat dat was, ja. Dat is van Mongolia.
Dus, Ulan Bator, Vietnam. Maar dat weet ik.
Wat is dat van Noord-Korea? Ja.
Ja. Oh, dan een wel. Correct. Oh, wat ben je? Nee. Ik moet dat niet aan mij vragen. Ik weet niet. Waarschijnlijk. Nee, dat is dat. Ja, en toen zoek ik in een video. Waar wil ik erin? Zoek ik. De dam, reading the dam.